Hi, today I'm reviewing MOTOROLA Razr 2022 and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the system section. If developer mode is activated, you'll see here this developer options section. So just click here once and now we can see here the developer options switcher. Just to hide them, we should click here once on the switcher and we'll can see here that a lot of just all of the options they are blocked, and when we'll go back again to the system section, we can see that the developer options section is gone automatically. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.